Mele naye umthetho ayabona asiphe something mfethu just ukumakha kusebenzele nganix yazi lokho.
Eish.
Yeah, ngawin game ama midfielder maybe attacker i10 ne defender li1.
Yeah.
Inte counter yamagoli 3 point iphuma kumagoli. Singaba ama defender sonke simakhi season yonke siphume sina 38 points sa relegate swina.
Yeah.
So ama player njengabo umthetho ebisazodlala isizini yonke uzobona.
Mawubheka umthetho like kunjani as a player? Like do you prefer him on your team or
my team? No, I don't even think maybe mina hlala namafam. As I'm a cabbage or something just to cheer. It's not a player yeah actually I'm fit. Asebenzele ukumakha kuphela. Mina umakhe
sibongisele umthetho. The same guy ucishe Sundowns.
It's okay, lapho maybe buyilanga lakhe, but then I know for me mthetho off angifuna sethimini yami angifuna ukumbona mina if mina ngifeli Kaizer Chiefs bengiyemvumo umthetho adlale nathi.